Well, first of all, we have a completely new concept with the BMW Active Tourer, a room functional concept, first time within the BMW brand. So there's a need to have a new approach to the target group, and we see a perfect fit between outdoor target groups and the BMW Concept Active Tourer.
The focus here has actually been more on outdoor and that whole lifestyle side of what the car can offer.
And especially at the outdoor exhibition here, we offer for the first time a special bike track stored in the inside.
Looks like a real BMW. You have all the BMW design icons, and this is what customers love at a BMW.
Well, when you sit in the car, when you drive the car, that it's all part of your day out, really, that the day out starts when you're in the car.